Here, in our Year 2 computing lesson today, we were exploring using ToCode in Purple Mash to program buttons, and we were talking about how a building block language could be used to build a computer game. I then showed the children Scratch, which is another form of a building block programming language, and I gave them the example that was made by someone else of this game, which is most commonly known as Crossy Road or Frogger. This person has made it as Crossy Road Frogger. And the children were very excited to see that when we click here and using our arrow keys, we can play this game. We didn't actually let them play it in class, but they may like to play it at home and see if they can get all the way across the road and get to the point where ultimately they're successful with this game. And it says victory. But what was really fun about this is we can press this button to see inside. So this is what we were talking about in class, basically, how blocks of code can be used to create a game. And the children love the concept of being able to adapt these things. So we could change the number of steps it moves forward and see what that feels like when we play the game again. We could change the frog. So if we click on the frog and we click on the customize icon up here, we can actually change the color of the frog. So we can go here, we can change the fill to maybe, I don't know, a yellow, and we can change the frog to a yellow frog. Completely yellow frog actually, on this case. We also joke that we can make it a Mr. Spracklin frog, so maybe we can just change the colors a bit here. We could give the frog a little beard. Like this. Not sure frogs do have beards, but you kind of get the idea. And maybe the frog could have a pair of glasses on as well. I've not done this in the most elegant way possible, but you kind of get the idea. And now when I click to play my game, you can see the frog at the bottom now is the frog that I've adapted. So this is just something to have a little bit of fun at home. It's way beyond what we were doing in class, but instantly we found that children like to kind of stretch themselves and try something different, and Scratch is a great program in which to do that with. Enjoy.